9 p.m. August 28th, 2019. I'm at the post office. But here is East Washington Street, public square straight ahead. And I just now noticed they got new street lamps in. And it is going to be a 2-lane road, but it's so narrow now. It's going to be a lot of parking. It's going to look cool, hopefully. They work the rest of the town, but the post office is impossible to get to. Sure have been taking their sweet time, but I don't know if this is going to show up pretty good or not. But the tall building at the very end of the picture is still, I believe, Shelbyville's tallest building at 5 stories, actually 6, but if you count the basement. It used to be called the Methodist Building. Alright, hope everybody's doing well. Truth, peace, freedom, love to all.